New at 5, we've learned a court injunction temporarily stopping the termination of health care coverage for about 400,000 people in Georgia expires at the end of the month. If Anthem, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and Northside Hospital cannot reach a new agreement, those patients will have to find new doctors or pay out of pocket to be treated. Tracy A. McPeer live in Atlanta for us tonight to explain. Tracy, are both sides even close to reaching an agreement here?
I don't think so. And when that injunction was granted at the end of December, many patients were relieved, but also confused, wondering when the new deadline would be. And we now know that that deadline is only 3 weeks away, and both sides still seem far from an agreement.
I really didn't think it would get to this point. I never believed with all the Georgians on this plan that they would do this.
Nancy Driscoll has spent the last few months hoping Anthem and Northside would come to a resolution. She says she has multiple Northside doctors who treat her immune issues, and getting all new doctors would be overwhelming, while paying out of pocket would be simply too expensive.
We all know what anesthesiologists, what pathologists, what the surgeon, what the operating room, what the light person, everything that goes into that. And if you step outside the box, that's going to be significant to your purse.
The original deadline for the two sides to reach a resolution was December 31st, but then Northside sued Anthem, alleging it was trying to renegotiate Northside's contract, even though it wasn't up for a renewal. Anthem accused Northside of being one of the most expensive hospital systems in Georgia. A Fulton County Superior Court judge sided with Northside and granted an injunction, delaying the deadline for 30 days, giving both sides more time to come to an agreement. Anthem telling us today, we have offered Northside a contract with reasonable reimbursement increases, which they have rejected. Continuing the current contract will not achieve the affordability or quality improvements we have been seeking from Northside. Meanwhile, Northside shared this letter sent to patients, explaining the lawsuit and the injunction, and sharing phone numbers for them to call to weigh in. Driscoll says this whole process is putting her peace of mind, finances, and health all on the line.
It's just quite a feeling of abandonment. It just is not a feeling of heart or care that you would think a health care company would offer us.
So the new deadline is January the 31st, and that's unless a new court order pushes it out even further.